If your Brookstone heated blanket is showing an E4 error code, it means the system has detected a fault that needs attention. In most cases, E4 points to a connection issue between the blanket and the controller, or a problem with the internal temperature sensors. These blankets are built with safety circuitry that constantly monitors heat levels, so when something isn't functioning correctly, the system shuts down to prevent overheating. One common cause is a loose or partially connected controller plug. Even a slight shift can trigger the error. Internal wiring can also become damaged over time from folding, bending, or regular wear. If the blanket has been twisted tightly or stored improperly, delicate heating elements inside may be affected. Controller malfunctions can also trigger the code. Start troubleshooting by checking the power outlet. Plug in another device to confirm it's working properly. Then unplug the blanket completely and disconnect the controller. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes to allow the system to reset. Reconnect everything firmly and plug it directly into a wall outlet. Avoid extension cords or surge protectors. Inspect the blanket carefully for frayed wires, burn marks, or worn spots. If you recently washed it, ensure it is 100% dry before use. Moisture inside the wiring can trigger faults. If the E4 error continues after these steps, consult your manual or contact Brookstone support for further guidance.